Good morning to children. Today new chapter would like about simple equation. Simple equation. An equation of the form ax plus b equal to 0 or ax equal to b, where a comma b are constant and a is not equal to 0 are called simple equation. Okay. See ma, an equation of the form ax plus b equal to 0 or ax equal to b, where a comma b are constant and a is not equal to 0 is called simple equation. Examples: 2x equal to 5, 2x equal to 5 and 3p plus 1 equal to 6, 3p plus 1 equal to 6. Okay, this type of simple equation. Okay, already in previous class, 6th class, we learned 2x plus 5, 5x plus 6 equal to 0. That like equations are learned. See ma, here 2x means LHS. This is equal to symbol. Equal to left hand side. Left hand side means LHS. Here LHS equal to 2x. Okay, equal to right side 5 is there. RHS means right hand side. Here LHS equal to 2x, RHS equal to 5. Okay, see now we are going to the exercise 1. First one, write LHS and RHS of the following simple equations. First one, 2x equal to 10. 2x equal to 10. See ma, write LHS and RHS of the following simple equations. Very easy. Just to write the LHS and RHS. Equation 2x equal to 10. 2x equal to 10. Solution LHS equal to, LHS means left hand side. Here left hand side 2x. Next RHS. Here asking LHS and RHS. RHS means right hand side number 10. Okay. LHS equal to left hand side 2x and RHS equal right hand side 10. Okay. Some problem say 2x minus 3 equal to 9. Next third one, 4z plus 1 equal to 8. Fourth one, 5p plus 3 equal 2p plus 9. 5p plus 3 equal to 2p plus 9. Solution is second one, 2x minus 3 equal to 9. 2x minus 3 equal to 9. Here also LHS. Right? LHS means left hand side 2x minus 3. Both right ma. 2x minus 3. This one full term, one term. Okay. 2x minus 3. Next RHS equal right hand side only 9 is there. So 9 right. RHS equal to 9. LHS equal to 2x minus 3. Next third one, 4z plus 1 equal to 8. 4z plus 1 equal to 8. LHS equal 4z plus 1. 4z plus 1. And RHS equal 8. Okay. LHS equal 4z plus 1. RHS equal to 8. Next, fourth one, LHS equal 5p plus 3. 5p plus 3. RHS equal 2p plus 9. RHS equal to 2p plus 9. Okay, next problem, fifth problem says 14 equal to 27 minus y. 14 equal 27 minus y. LHS equal left hand side 14. Next RHS. RHS equal to right hand side 27 minus y. 27 minus y. Next sixth one. LHS equal to 2a minus 3 equal to 5. 2a minus 3 equal to 5. Here LHS equal 2a minus 3. 2a minus 3. RHS equal 5. LHS equal 2a minus 3. RHS equal to 5. Next seventh one. 7m equal to 14. 7m equal to 14. Here LHS equal 7m. LHS equal to 7m. RHS equal 14. RHS equal to 14. Next eighth one. 8 equal q plus 5. 8 equal to q plus 5. Here LHS equal 8. RHS equal q plus 5. Q plus 5. LHS equal to 8. RHS equal to q plus 5. Okay, this is the first Roman. Next we are going to the second Roman. Okay, next Roman is second Roman. Solve the following equations by trial and error method. Solve the following equation by trial and error method. Okay, trial and error method Sima. 2 plus y equal to 7. 2 plus y equal to 7. First, value of y. Here variable y. Okay, variable y. That's why value of y. Next, value of LHS. Value of LHS. Value of LHS. Next, value of RHS. Okay, solution 3. 2 plus y equal to 7. Solution, value of y, value of LHS, value of RHS. Here value of variable what ma here? Y. Y equal to 1. Y equal to 1. We take y equal to 1 means LHS value. LHS means 2 plus y. 2 plus y means here LHS 2 plus y. Okay, RHS 7. Okay, 2 plus y 7. Value of y equal to 1 taking means 2 plus 1. 2 plus 1 equal to 2 plus 1 equal to 3. 2 plus 1 equal to 3. Value of RHS 7. Next, we taking y value 2. Y value 2. 2 plus 2. 2 plus 2 equal to 4. RHS value 7. Next, we are taking y value 3. LHS value 2 plus 3 equal to 5. 2 plus 3 equal to 5. RHS value 7. Next we are taking 4. 2 plus 4 equal to 6. 2 plus 4 equal to 6. LHS value 6. Here RHS value 7. Next y value 5. We are taking y value 5. Means LHS value 2 plus 5. 2 plus 5 means 7. Okay, RHS value 7. Both are equal. LHS and RHS. Okay. So now y equal to here variable what ma? Y. Therefore y equal to 5. Okay. Y value 5 taking means both are equal. LHS and RHS. Okay. Solve the following equation. Solving means find the y value. Here y equal to 5. Y equal to 5. Okay, understood? Once again see ma. 2 plus y equal to 7. 2 plus y equal to 7. Solve the trial and error method. Trial and error method means first to value of y, next to value of LHS, value of RHS. Okay, y variable here y. That's why taking 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. Okay, here first y value 1. LHS value 2 plus 1. LHS means here 2 plus y. Y value 1 substituting means 2 plus 1 equal to 3. Value of RHS 7. Okay, 3, 7 not equal to. Next 2. Y value 2. 2 plus 2 equal to 4. RHS value 7. both are not equal. Next 3. 2 plus 3 equal to 5. RHS value 7. 4. 2 plus 4 equal to 6. Next RHS value 7. 5 taking means 2 plus 5 equals 7. RHS value 7. Both are equal. That's why Y value 5. Okay. Next one. The next one, second one. A minus 2 equal to 6. A minus 2 equal to 6. Here variable A. Okay. Here variable A. So value of A. Value of A. Value of LHS. LHS A minus 2. Value of RHS. RHS value 6. Okay. Now taking one by one. A equal to 1. First we are taking 1. Value of LHS means 1 minus 2. 1 minus 2 equal to minus 1. 1 minus 2 equal to minus 1. Value of RHS 6. Next second number 2. Okay. Next value of LHS 2 minus 2. 2 minus 2 equal to 0. RHS 6. Next 3. A value 3 take mark. 3 value taking means 3 minus 2. A minus 2 means 3 minus 2 equal to 1. RHS value 6. Next 4. 4 minus 2 equal to 4 minus 2 equal to 2. RHS value 6. Okay, 2 not equal 6. Next taking 5. 5 minus 2. 5 minus 2 equal to 5. We are taking 5 minus 2 here. A minus 2. A minus 2. Value of A 5. Taking means 5 minus 2 equal to 3. RHS value 6. Next value of A 6. 6 minus 2. 6 minus 2 equal to 4. RHS 6. Next 7. 7 minus 2. 7 minus 2 equal to 5. RHS value 6. Next 8. 8 minus 2 equal to 6. 8 minus 2 equal to 6. And RHS value also 6. 6 equal to 6. Okay. Value of LHS equal to value of RHS. Therefore, A equal to 8. A equal to 8. This is trial and error method. A equal to 8. Okay. Understood, ma? Next one. Next third one say 5m equal to 15. 5m equal to 15. Value of m, value of LHS 5m, value of RHS 15. Okay, first we are taking m value 1. M value 1. LHS means 5m, 5 into 1. 5m means 5 into m. Okay, one value taking means 1 taking means 5 into 1 equal to 5. Value of RHS 15. Value of RHS 15. Next, m equal to 2. M equal to 2. Here, value of LHS 5 into 2. 5 into 2. 5 2s are 10. RHS value 15. Okay. 10 is not equal to 15. Now, taking another number 3. 5 into 3. M place right 3. 5 into 3. 5 3s are 15. 5 3s are 15. Value of RHS 15. 15 equal to 15. Therefore, m equal 3. Here m equal to 3. Okay, see man here multiplication. 5m means multiplication. 5m equal to 15. Value of m, value of LHS, value of RHS. M value, m equal 1 taking means value of 5m. 5 into 1 equal to 5. RHS 15. 5 is not equal 15. Next m equal to 2. 5 into 2 equal to 10. Okay, 15. 10 is not equal 15. M equal to 3. 5 into 3 equal to 15. RHS 15. 15 equal to 15. That's why therefore m equal to 3. Next one. Next one. 2n equal to 14. Value of n. N equal 1 taking means LHS 2n. 2n means 2 into 1 equal to 2. RHS 14. Next n value 2. We are taking n value 2. 2n means 2 into 2. 2 2s are 4. RHS value 14. Next 3. 2n means 2 into 3. 2 3s are 6. RHS value 14. Next we are taking 4. 2 into 4. 2 4s are 8. RHS value 14. Next taking 5. 2 into 5. 2 5s are 10. 14. RHS value 14. Next 6. 2 into 6 equal to 2 6 are 12. RHS value 14. Next 7. 2 into 7 equal to 2 7s are 14. RHS value 14. Both are equal. LHS value 14 and RHS value 14. Both are equal. That's why therefore n value 7. Therefore n equal to 7. Okay, understood? Here 2n equal to 14. Value of n, value of LHS and value of RHS. Taking 1 means 2. 2 is not equal 14. 2 means 4 is not equal 14. 6 is not equal 14. Okay. Last to n equal to 7 marks. Solution n equal to 7. Okay. Today's enough marks. Thank you.